good to have in your purse. My power might go out. That was loud and it scared the shit out of me. Hey sparkly peoples of the interwebs, welcome to my crafting coven where we conjure the spirit of Halloween through arts and crafts. Welcome back if you've been here before, and hey, hi, hello if you're new here. Hit that subscribe button and become a Crafty Coven member and join us today, because you know you want to. Today I just have a what's in my spooky bag video. I've been tagged by Mandy Spooks herself, and I would tag some other creators at the end of this video, plus down in the description below, but don't cheat and look. I know, it's so tempting. Don't cheat. Don't you do it. Don't. You better not. Told you. I'm going to tell you right now, this is a bit of a clickbait because this is not my actual purse I carry around. I haven't quite used this yet. It's just not quite big enough for my everyday wear and tear. The smell's better. I am going to show you what I actually carry. I do love this bag, and this will be more for like short trips or trips for date night, stuff like that, because it's much smaller than what I actually carry on a day-to-day basis with my kids and my dogs and everything else. So I'm going to grab that bag now. So this is my actual bag I carry. It's from Target that I actually got at dirt cheap. Got it for $5. Well, I didn't. A friend of mine got it for me, and she was very, very sweet to get this for me because we went and they were only taking cash that day, and I didn't have any cash, and she had cash, so she purchased it for me, and she just said, "No, don't pay me back." And I said, "Well, okay." So I'm going to start with what's on the outside of this bag. I had intentions on totally revamping this bag by adding iron-ons and everything to it. I just haven't done it yet because I'm a busy mom. So if you don't know that, I am a mom of 2 and a dog mom of 2. Was previously a dog mom of 3, which if you follow me on Instagram, then you already know what's going on. And I'll probably touch out a little bit of this video because there's something in here of Ava's that I carry around. So anyway, the outside that I carry first is I carry this tape measure. Like, it's just a pull and you just push this button and it goes right back in. I carry it around because we started doing a lot of DIY projects and we needed measurements when we go out. Instead of carrying a big tape measure around, I've been carrying this, and also it's just handy when I'm measuring like materials and things, stuff like that, just random things. I also carry this. Carries the dog poop bags for when we go on walks and stuff like that, and when we take the dogs out of the house, we always have poop bags handy because you have to be a responsible pet owner and pick up your dog's poo. Don't leave it like an asshole. And then I have my keychains, which I'll show a close-up of these. It's just my ghost, my candy corn ghost I made with glitter, and then some other ghosts I made as little freebies. So when I closed my shop, they just kind of ended up with me, which is fine. I love them. I'm going to start off in the front pocket. And of course, always I carry my phone in there. Sometimes, not always, but it's here. I'm not going to pull it out and be like, look, it's my phone. It's always in my bag. No, it's not. Not at home. But I always carry hair ties because you just never know. In the front pocket, I carry all these lipsticks because I like to mix these to get different colors. Today is this NYX Professional Makeup Dazed and Diffused Blurring Lipstick. It's in shade 90S Babe. I love it. It actually looks brown on here. It's like a purpley red maroon color. I love it. It's dark, it's fall, and this I just kind of use it to blend it out a little bit. And some lip moisturizing balm stain by Wet n Wild Mega Sticks. I don't know how old this is. I've had it for a really, really long time and probably really should stop using it. It's Lady and the Vamp 124 if you're looking for it, if they still make it. And then Wet n Wild Cloud Pout Marshmallow Lip Mousse. I just really like the smell of this stuff. And if I wanted to, I can give my little lips a little highlight there. I like it. It just feels real nice, and I'm really particular about sticky stuff, and this ends up not being super sticky after you wear it down a little. It's not right now, it's too sticky for me, but once it goes down, I'm fine with it. Once it goes down, you know what I mean, it melts into your lips, you get it. Obviously my car key, I have a Mazda 2. Her name is Eve, or Eva from Wall-E. She's just this white little Mazda 2. She's cute, she's reliable, and I love her. I carry my Samsung earbuds, lavender, obviously. My husband bought these for me and I love them. I have no radio in my car. My stereo went out. So a lot of the times when I'm driving around, this is what's in my ear, so then I can take my phone calls and everything else. Hands-free. It's perfect. Of course, you have to have some kind of hand sanitizer, and I've got pumpkin cake from Bath & Body Works. Smells just like fall. I love it, and this one wasn't so overpowering that it was just like making you sick. That sickly, sweet, and medical smell together. I've stated this before. I have a very strong nose, so oh, it's raining. This stuff can make me sick very quickly. And then you always have to have pens and pencils because you never know when you need to sign something, and touching other people's pens and pencils are gross. I don't know, maybe I'm just a weirdo. I definitely am a weirdo. So that's all in my front pocket. Now on the main part. This is gonna be really, really weird, but I always carry tape with me. I have a tape roll here and I have a tape roll in my car. Usually I packaged boxes all the time when I was doing my shop and stuff, so I was always having this in my bag just in case I needed to open something and like reseal it because I forgot to put something in. It was always just a case, so it always just ended up in my purse, and that's just where it stayed. And this has come in handy so much that it's just become now a permanent thing in my purse or my car. This is always with me. The next weird thing is I have some acid reducer. Is it really weird? No, but also what the weird thing about it is I put other stuff in there with it because I just take one bottle, so I've got like Advil and Casex in there. You're welcome for that bit of TMI. I have stomach issues, so this is and on to being, you know, a mom, another pencil, because you've got 2 kids, you gotta have 2 pencils, and a Tide stick. This has come in so handy, and I didn't carry it for a long time because I was very weird about them. I don't know why I was so weird about them, but I was. But my friend, she always carried these in her purse, and it was always like, do you have your Tide stick? I got mustard on me. And then so it just became a thing. Okay, I gotta carry my own. I gotta quit relying on her. So now I have my own Tide stick, and my husband uses it all the time, and so do my kids. So it's just handy. It's good to have in your purse. My power might go out. That was loud, and it scared the shit out of me. Oh, that was loud. Oh, my stomach is all tensed up. Let's make this a little quicker. So the next thing, that's a mom thing. Wipes, because I always get sticky stuff on my hands, and I got these on sale. They were in clearance for 50 cents. I also have a thing of alcohol wipes in my car as well. Coupons. I love coupons. I say coupons as a joke, but I love coupons, and Kroger just sent me some, so I always try to keep them in my purse when I have them because I love them. It's so loud out there. So the next weird mom thing I have my wallet and my son's wallet. Why do you have your son's wallet, you ask? Because it's just easier to carry it around sometimes than have him do it, and I'm about to kill that damn fly. You see it in my video. I'm sorry. It's driving me nuts. It got trapped in here with me. Has no exit. It's fixing to have no life. Anyway, I carry his wallet around because it's just easier, and they end up together. And I did make these. I had them for sale on my site a while back, and nobody bought them, so I was just like, I'll use them, and he loved it. He's still trying to talk me into doing a fox one for him, but I can't find fox faux leather, so I'm gonna have to figure out how to get some and make some. And then I have my makeup bag. Now, it's in here is not just makeup. Oh, I have a piece of tape on there. I have Band-Aids, and I have a little tiny sewing kit. So it's just a needle and 2 things of bobbin threads, and I use these because these no longer fit on my machine. I hope that's not so loud that you can hear it. Wow. So loud back there. Anyway, I use bobbin thread, no longer fits my new machine. These are really, really old bobbins, and there's like 2 needles in there and a straight pin. You never know when you need to sew a button back on or sew a hole up or whatever. Like the other day, I ripped my dress and I just whipped this out and I sewed it right back up. I mean, it looks a little patchy, but that's fine with me. And then, you know, makeup and another lipstick. What is this? Tarte, and it's nude, and I use it to blend out other colors because this is very, very close to my actual like nude lip. So I'll use this to make other colors kind of softer. And then some Aquifer, and I think this is actually my husband's that I stole, and some tweezers because you gotta pluck some hairs when you see them. You know what I mean. I'm getting old. And a clippy because I always have to clip my hair back because I either get really, really hot or it drives me nuts. So it usually ends up right on top of my head. We're almost to the end because I don't carry scissors. In my little sewing kit, I carry fingernail clippers, and they work perfectly for clipping some string. You know, might as well use those, and they're versatile because I always break my nails. So I always have fingernail clippers with me. And then I carry a mask for when I go to the doctor. I always have a fresh one in here, and then I've got other like lady things in here that I'm not going to pull out because you don't need to see that. And then this is the last item in my bag, and I've been carrying it around since she passed away. I have Ava's collar, and it's a Halloween collar. It's a trick-or-treat collar. I thought I had this closed. I don't. It's just in my bag. It's been, and in my bag it will stay until I can't have it in there anymore, if that makes any sense. Obviously, like I said, I would touch on it a little bit. That's Ava's. We got her right when we first moved in here, like right after we first moved in here, and she ended up having a tumor. So yeah, it just sucks, and so now I just carry her with me, and it's nice to have her with me, at least a little bit of her with me. I'm trying not to cry so hard, but let me take a little break. So I didn't mean to do that. So I'm going to put my stuff back in here while I'm talking to you and closing this video out, because if I don't, I will forget it, and it'll get lost. I'm going to stop there because then I just remembered I also have to take little close-ups of things. I do really hope that you guys enjoyed seeing what was in my spooky bag. I am going to tag Rocio from Rocio's Cosplay. I don't know how to say her middle name, or her, not a middle name, her last name. I'm sorry. I love Rocio. She's so sweet and the cutest little cosplayer ever, and she has also a shop that's called Sparkling Punk. Go check her out. Go check out her YouTube. I'm going to also tag Taylor from Halloween Homestead, or Homesteader. I can't really remember it exactly. I'll tag it down below. I came across her stuff on Instagram. She's super sweet and kind of newish to the spooky Halloween scene, at least on Instagram that I know of. And she's also homeschooling her kids, which I have so much respect for. Like, holy crap, that's awesome. So go check out her stuff and go see what's in her spooky bag. Yeah, I think that's it for the day. I hope you enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, because you know it makes me oh so happy. Sorry for the clickbait that happened. I will soon carry this purse. I'm just not ready yet. It has to be a special occasion. I have too much crap, as you can see, and it won't fit in here. Look, I mean, look at the size difference. Look at the size difference. It won't fit. So, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.